Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through an overview of the University of Tasmania Medical School, and make sure to stick to the end to see all the key details you need to know. I'm Melvin from MedicMind, a second year medical student from Monash University, and if you're interested in medicine and getting into medical school, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel. So you will graduate from the University of Tasmania after 5 to 7 years with a Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery degree. The course uses a learner-centered approach to produce graduates with scientific medical knowledge, clinical skills, and experience in ethical and professional judgment. Become a vital part of Tasmania's community, contributing to the health system during clinical placements. Whether you are keen to understand the human body or drive change in healthcare systems, the Tasmanian School of Medicine can provide you with the resources and support to facilitate this. The course has a quota of 50% domestic rural students. Entry to the degree is based upon a ranking combination of academic results and ISAT results. Let's move on to the course structure at the University of Tasmania. The course offered at the University of Tasmania can be completed within 5 years. You will spend the first 3 years in Hobart, studying at the Medical Sciences Precinct. Your first 3 years of study will focus on on-campus, learning-based programs using case-based learning activities. The course ensures that students are equipped with all the knowledge they require to be effective physicians through lectures, tutorials, and practical classes. These will give you the framework of knowledge to base your clinical practice on. Whilst in years 1 to 3, you will get the opportunity to interact with patients. The first 3 years of study prepares you for working in a medical environment. Through professional experience placements, you will gain skills, knowledge, and experience. Clinical placements at the University of Tasmania. Years 4 and 5 are clinical placement years, which allows you to experience a range of clinical environments. You will complete your first 2 years of study at one of the following: either Hobart Clinical School, Launceston Clinical School, or the Rural Clinical School. Does the University of Tasmania have a medical school? Yes, after 5 to 7 years, you will receive a Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery from the University of Tasmania. Graduates will have scientific medical knowledge, clinical skills, and experience in ethical and professional judgment thanks to the course's learner-centered approach. What is a University of Tasmania entry exam? Applicants must have a 50th percentile or higher in the University Clinical Aptitude Test. The score is derived from the sum of the first 4 cognitive portions, excluding the situational judgment exam. To achieve intake quotas, UTAS may also alter the UCAT A and Z threshold to admit students from disadvantaged and underrepresented populations. What is the University of Tasmania Medicine ranking? The University of Tasmania course is the 7th in Australia. What is the University of Tasmania acceptance rate? The University of Tasmania has an acceptance rate of 75%, making it a leniently competitive university. Do international students study at the University of Tasmania? The University of Tasmania has 18,610 students, 6,803 of which are international students from 147 countries. What are the University of Tasmania medical school fees? The University of Tasmania medicine course costs based on a rate of $74,950 Australian dollars per standard full-time year of study. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you learned a thing or two about the University of Tasmania Medical School. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like the video and share this with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel to never miss a video.